There are a lot of issues that are related to the Industrial Revolution. One of the issues is income inequality. Income inequality is the unequal distribution of household or individual income across the various participants in an economy.
Inequality is a major issue that is happening all over the world. One of the countries is Brazil. In Brazil, there are many people who are suffering from income inequality.
Brazil is the fourth country in the world to have the worst level of income inequality. Imagine a family who are coping with difficulties of income inequality. The father and mother both work as fruit packagers.
Same amount of time but get paid differently. The mother gets paid 30% less than the father. Since the mother gets paid less than the father, the child also has to work. The child starts to work as a street vendor near traffic lights, selling candies, stickers, flowers, and other small items.
I have not seen any change for me or other poor people with the World Cup. Nothing has helped us at all. We have not seen any improvement. No financial help, no housing help, no education, no health care. Nothing has gotten better for those who need it.
Since they don't earn enough money to afford a rented house, they have to live in a favela, which is an overpopulated place where people live in little tin houses. Income inequality didn't only happen now, but also during the Industrial Revolution.
In Brazil, there are those who live tucked away behind barbed wire walls, and those who live behind shanty cinder block ones.
Brazil is a rich country, but the majority is poor.
During the Industrial Revolution, women and children both got paid less than men, even when they worked at the same place for the same hours. Factories during the Industrial Revolution would hire mostly women and children because they didn't have to pay the same amounts as men.
Income inequality then continued at a steady rate in places like Brazil. There were about 190 million people living in Brazil, and 31% of them were under the poverty line. The unemployment rate in Brazil was 9.8%.
Poverty is one of the main reasons for the income distribution problem in Brazil. There are many areas poverty-stricken, while an equal number of areas are economically growing.
The income inequality that is currently happening in Brazil should stop now. There should be an equal income to all people, and they should be treated the same.
The government should act now before it gets worse.